How do I have a Schwans delivery order delivered to my house that helps support the Riverdale Library? The first thing is you want to make sure that you are on the Schwans homepage. So you can make sure you're on Schwans. You can go ahead and add some items to your cart. I have some meals that are my favorite, but I've heard everybody talk about how amazing the ice cream is. So you can scroll down, they got the pumpkin spice ice cream. I make sure that I order the doggy sundaes for Miss Kaylee. They also have chip and mint sundae cones, which are to die for. And I'll throw in some strawberry fruit bars. So once you have the items in the cart that you wish to order, there's also some confetti things down here. So say I'm going to add all this. Okay, you can go to your cart. I added some things earlier. Okay, so you go to checkout. You have a small delivery fee, $1.75 if it's under 50, I believe, and if it's over 50, then it's free. So go ahead and click on checkout. If you do not already have an account, go to create an account. Go ahead and fill out your information. Let's see if I can make up a phone number. Still do my 309. Email. Password. I was gonna say, I don't know if I can remember. See if they match. Nope. Okay. Then I'm gonna make up a street address. And then your city and state. You might as well join the free rewards. You get 5% back on every order. First to know, stay connected, kind of choose what you want. Okay, so now you are set up. So here's my address. I want Schwans delivery, not UPS shipping. Pick when you want them to deliver to your door. They probably don't recognize this as a real address, which is the issue because it is not. So you would pick like what day and what time frame. Okay, so coupon codes, I think there was a 30% off if you're a new customer, so you may want to look that up. Contribute to a fundraiser. So our fundraiser campaign is 41315. So 41315. You can make it anonymous, but why do that? Let's shout you out. Apply fundraiser. So it should say for new library books because that's what we're using the money for. You can go ahead and continue checkout. You can pay either at the door or have them charge your card. So when you're doing this, you have to add a credit card since you're donating to us. And then you would just go ahead and continue checkout and submit. So it's that easy. And again, it gets delivered right to your door as long as you put in a real address. So thank you for your time and enjoy your amazing food.